Welcome to Jim's Kitchen. Guess what? It's cornbread season, and I'm going to try a new and exciting cornbread that I've never had before. It's called a cheese stuffed cornbread. And guess what? I love cheese. We need 2 bowls. In the smaller bowl, I need a cup of buttermilk, a stick of melted butter, a 1/4 cup of honey, and 2 eggs. Whisk until combined. In the bigger bowl, a cup of flour, a cup of cornmeal, 2½ teaspoons of baking powder, a pinch of salt. Let's mix that together. Add the wet to the dry and stir it until just combined. Put half of that batter into a prepared baking dish. Spread it out. I've cubed 6 ounces of pepper jack cheese that I'm going to put on top of that. And cover and spread on the remaining batter. I'm going to bake this at 375 for 25 to 30 minutes until it's golden brown and cooked throughout. Here we go. Cheese stuffed cornbread. Loving that cheese. It's an amazing cornbread. Flavorful, love that punch of that pepper jack cheese. Super tasty. I'm gonna give it a 7.8 out of 10. You should add this to your future dinner table. What happens when a werewolf eats cornbread? It turns into a corn dog.